This is a 2003 Chevy Express 1500 that it won't start. It has power and everything seems to be working, but it won't start. It only does that. So this is what you're gonna need for this job. You're gonna need a wrench with an extension. It's like a 6 or 8 inch extension with a number 13 socket. You're gonna need a 13 inch deep socket at 10, and then you need an 8 to disconnect the battery. So this gonna go here. You're gonna take out this bolt, which they're pretty long, but they do have a thread there. And then this is a 13 also. And then you're gonna need the 13 deep socket for this. You can't reach it with a shallow one. It's gonna hit here, so you're gonna need a 13 inch socket there. And then you need a 10 deep socket for this one over here that has a connection too. So this is the, so we're gonna go see where the starter is. It's so that oily greasy thing is the starter. So let me go start it. So first thing first, I'm gonna disconnect the battery, and it uses a 8mm. So I'm gonna disconnect the negative. And there's the positive. And to reconnect them, it'll be easy because red goes to positive, black goes to negative. So I'm gonna create a little bit more space to crawl under. And if you're right in front of the car, if you go underneath, that's the front passenger wheel, and the driver's side wheel. Right in between, you can see there's a good space to put the jack and the jack stands, and so we'll have more room to work there. Okay, so these are where the jack stands are. So I'm seeing 2 bolts, and I think that's it. So we'll see. So this is what we're gonna be working on. We're gonna be taking out this bolt, which are holding the unit, and then this is where the power is connected. Let's see if I can point to it. Right here, it has another bolt right there. So we're gonna unplug those. Okay, so this is the power cable. Alright, so that's the first one. And so we won't lose this. We'll screw it back in here. Okay, so this is we're going to remove this bolt. I'm using an extension because there's these 2 pipes here that seems to be on the way, and then we're gonna do this other one. Let me see if we can focus that. We're gonna do it, and then I'm gonna stop filming because I gotta catch this part, because as you can see it's loose already. So after we unplug this cable, which I already did, it was there, and I put the nut back in, we're gonna unplug this one, which is a 10. I gotta look for that. And there you go. They don't fit in any other place. That's what they make them so different. So we're gonna put that plug back in. Alright, so I got this part back already. It's rebuilt. It's rebuilt. It's actually the same part, but they changed I guess the brushes that go inside here, and And here, I looked up the part, knew it was 150, I think, and you have to bring the old one in return. This actually was much cheaper, so I said, well, I'll give it a try. They gave me a warranty on it, so it should work fine. It took them about 30 minutes to get it rebuilt. They got this is the old ones that used to go here. Actually, I got new ones. And this one has a lock washer, or whatever you call it, the same thing. So I think that's pretty neat. Okay, so this is where the new port is gonna go. It's gonna go in here, and it turns this, and which starts the engine. So that's the whole job of the starter. Go ahead and do it. Okay, so I went ahead and wiggled it into place. You can see it's loose, so I just put there, and then I'm gonna do this connection, and I'm gonna go ahead and let's see. That's the point. Gotta do the washer. So now I'll put in this bolt. I cleaned it up because it was full of gum, and I'll go ahead and put a little bit of tread locked on it, just a bit. You can see, and this is goes blue tread locker. Oh, just let it go to here. So I'm gonna create it just a bit by hand. It's already in there, and then I'm gonna fasten. I just hand tighten these ones, but they're not fully tight. I'm gonna torque it all the way. Okay, so I just finished tightening these two bolts and this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it and see if it works.